Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'll be showing how to download and install Brave browser for better browsing experience. Brave is claiming to be the better one from any other browser available on the web, and today we're going to watch it. So simply search for Brave on Google and then simply go to the official site of Brave, as I'm there, and as you can see, this is the official site, official source of Brave browser. So simply click on download Brave and it's being downloaded. And to inform you, I couldn't find any offline installer for this browser. It only gives me the online installer, and I'm going to install the online installer and then it will download the next one. Yes, and as you can see, it is a little bit like the Google Chrome and it's being downloaded to my system. Please wait patiently with the online installer. It's most probably done. As you can see, it has just some seconds to be installed properly in my system. Okay, download complete. Now I think it's going to be appeared. Okay, installing. Okay, installation is complete and now Brave has launched and I'm going to see its interface. And yep, it's welcoming me. Brave the new internet, and it's asking me to let's go. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, I will change it later, the color theme. Okay, and done. Yep, a brand new Brave browser is in my PC. It is the latest version, as you can see on the screen, and it has some cool effects on the interface, as you can see. Okay, now if I search google.com, I think it will come with more faster speed. No problem. I'm going back. Okay, it's also showing me the time in the top right corner, and that's the system. That's the official way of downloading Brave installer, online installer, and install in your system. And in my next video tutorial, I will be comparing this browser to other popular browsers and will show you the real speed, the real comparison between the browsers. Hope you really found this useful. If you really found the video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Please inspire us to make more informative and useful video like this. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.